Dear Splash Award team, I am Luke, CEO of DigitalUtion Switzerland. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity to participate in the Splash Award. It is an honor for us to be part of this event with our project ANAXAM. Lemberg Solutions from Lviv, Ukraine and DigitalUtion from Baden, Switzerland collaborated together to develop the unique web portal for ANAXAM. Today, I am speaking on behalf of both companies. We are extremely proud of the outcome. Before diving in, let me provide a brief background on the non-profit organization ANAXAM. Founded in 2019 by the PSI, the FHNW, the Swiss Nanoscience Institute, and the Canton of Aargau. ANAXAM is a technology transfer center that belongs to the prestigious category of nationally significant research facility. ANAXAM offers state-of-the-art analytical methods in the field of non-destructive material testing. In this short video, I would like to highlight 3 challenges that we successfully tackled to the satisfaction of our stakeholders. Following that, our senior developer Sergey will shed light on a technical challenge and share insights into our contribution to the Drupal community. This multi-language website is made with Drupal 9. I would like to emphasize that we have put a lot of ambitions, love and attention to details into this project. The team, consisting of stakeholders, project managers, developers, designers, UX experts and quality assurance testers, has worked together extremely well with a great deal of positive energy and incredible effort. As a result, ANAXAM has just given us the green light for further expansion. Let's start with the challenge 1. How do we make such an abstract topic more accessible to visitors? To address this, we designed the start page of ANAXAM to resemble a presentation. The CEO of ANAXAM, Christian Grünzweig, had a vision. He used the website as a presentation tool during on-site visits or calls with potential customers and leads. To show the Swissness of the company, we designed and integrated the famous Swiss hiking sign and the Yas cards. The client liked these 2 digital visuals so much that we even produced the hiking sign as well as the Yas cards physically. The client provides the Yas cards as a giveaway to clients and leads and uses the 1-to-1 sized hiking sign proudly on events. The mega menu is simple yet visually appealing, giving ANAXAM the opportunity to showcase its offering using a toolbox analogy. This visualization is an integral part of the website. For each service or expertise, we have another shelf. Second challenge, provide a knowledge transfer center, introducing guided tours, seminars, workshops, training, and education. Let's switch to the German website. We created features that allow for setting up and managing events, creating speaker profiles, developing programs, and implementing a flexible registration form. Additionally, we integrated Mautic, an open source software, enhancing ANAXAM's capabilities in event management and marketing automation. One of the key requirements was to save the user's data only on a Swiss server. Using our own Mautic instance on a Swiss server as a CRM, marketing automation, and newsletter tool, we achieved this goal successfully. The client appreciates working with both open source technologies which provide perfect symbiosis between. Sergey, our senior developer, came up with the brilliant idea to develop the integration between Mautic forms and Drupal as easily as possible. So, as an employee of ANAXAM, I can create any individual form in the form builder of Mautic and just copy and paste the ID of the form to the Drupal, and the form automatically appears here. Is this not amazing? Last but not least, the third challenge. Easy customization by client. We have a library of components that provides the client with ability to swiftly create and customize new pages using existing building blocks. Internally, we call it our Lego kit. I would like to show very quickly how easy it is to manage and create new pages using our library or ready-to-use component. Each component can be added, deleted, or moved up and down. Doesn't matter which component the client uses, the page will always look amazing. The flexibility allows the client to work independently and save time and money. The client uses this feature all the time and won't miss it anymore. Let's click Edit and let's add one of the components. Here we have a collection of different components and many more of this so-called internally Lego stones. Doesn't matter which stones or components the client uses, the website will always look good. The client can build very fast with existing components new pages or landing pages. He can go to existing pages, add new components, delete them, or change the order. We also have a couple of components which use dynamic content. So they are pulled by automatically by content existing in our libraries. As an example, I would like to show you the slider here. So here we have a lot of case studies which only are related to imaging with neutron and synchrotron radiation. They won't fit to diffraction, small angle scattering, and spectroscopy. So we build it up here a taxonomy system with the Drupal taxonomy system to add different tags to the project, and they can appear on different pages. The slider we can put on any page, and based on the tags which they have, they will appear or not. Similar things we use also on events pages. We have a download area which also use a taxonomy system. We have a video portal, etc. By addressing these challenges, we have successfully developed a web portal that not only meets the needs of ANAXAM, but also exceeds the expectation of its stakeholders.
Hey, my name is Sergey. I'm the engineer working on the web portal and want to tell you what's so good about it as well as what tech challenges I faced. One of the tech challenges was the application field you can see on the screen. It consists of multiple components, so I had to find a way to make them work as expected through coding. Let me show you how this works. At first, the component is empty, but in a fraction of a second the client's logo appears, grasping the user's attention. The logo stays still for a moment and smoothly scales. The logo is an SVG with ANAXAM letters. While the logo size increases, the X letter becomes 5 times larger, turning into a cross with 4 sections. Other letters disappear. 4 buttons wrap the X letter, each opening a hidden image gallery. Users can check products, branches, materials, and processes to learn more about ANAXAM. We also adapted the animation for all browsers, including Internet Explorer 11. Now it looks equally good across all browsers. It took some extra effort and skill since I had to write a separate code for it. Another challenge was the cards component. Similar to the previous one, it includes several steps, each of which has its animation. It means I had to write additional code for multiple elements to make them work as a whole. Such a coding approach allowed me to implement the component that works like this. When users scroll down to the component, they see card deck. The deck bubbles and falls into 5 cards. You can see the company logos on the front side. Then the cards reveal their reverse side one by one. Each card is a stage of cooperation with ANAXAM. All arrows go through all the cards, pausing for a split second to keep users engaged. It has a nice black-brown color gradient. I achieved it by adding a line to each card to create an arrow. All lines have the same start and end coordinates, animation, and delays, but become visible at different, well-coordinated moments. Finally, When users hover over a specific card, it scales up. The core difficulty was adjusting the behavior of the 5 moving arrows to look like one. Now let's talk about this project contributes to Drupal and benefits the community. When working on this project, we faced a problem. Even though the Drupal 9 and 10 core allowed adding multiple AJAX filters on the same page, they didn't work correctly. When we added another filter, the previous one stopped working. To fix this, our engineer made a patch that allows several filters to work on one page. He shared it with the Drupal community, as you can see on Drupal.org. Since then, the patch has successfully been used by others. Now, adding multiple filters on the same page is no longer a problem. Thank you for the chance to say a few words about the project. Lucas will continue with more details.
Thank you for considering our submission for the Splash Award. We believe our project showcases innovation, creativity, and seamless collaboration between ANAXAM, DigitalUtion, and Lemberg solutions. Thank you once again for this opportunity, and we look forward to your evaluation. Thank you very much.